Now that we've successfully brazed the assembly, it must be cleaned to remove flux residue and any oxide scale formed during the brazing process. Remember, most flux is corrosive and will need to be removed after brazing. Since most brazing fluxes are water soluble, you can remove residue from the assembly by quenching it in hot water while the part is still hot. Of course, you want to make sure the filler metal is completely solidified before doing this. The glass-like flux residue usually will crack and flake off, but if there's still some stubborn residue stuck to the part, just brush it with a wire brush. If you're still having a hard time removing flux, it means you may not have used enough flux to start with, or maybe the parts were overheated in brazing. In this case, you'll need to use a mild acid solution and/or mechanical cleaning. Cleaning the joint is the last step in our series on the 6 fundamentals of brazing. Just to review, the 6 fundamentals are: 1. Good fit and proper clearance. 2. Cleaning the metals. 3. Fluxing the part. 4. Assemble for brazing. 5. Brazing the assembly. And 6. Cleaning the brazed joint.